Suguli, Oneida Nation of the Thames. This is your Chief, Adrian Chrisjohn. I'm going to be reading an update from our Emergency Control Group, update number 16, October 15th, 2020. Citizens and community members of Oneida Nation of the Thames. It is our recommendation for all Oneida band members to wear a mask when entering all public spaces/businesses in the community and outside of the community. Public health measures like physical and social distancing, hand hygiene, and respiratory etiquette remain very important. Emergency Control Group would like to remind community members of the recommendations set out by Health Canada. It remains critically important for everyone to continue following public health advice. In an update from the Middlesex London Health Unit on new public health guidance, a recommendation for Oneida band members to adhere to: due to the recent increases of COVID-19 case numbers, the Middlesex London Health Unit is strongly advising all residents of the Middlesex London area to limit close contacts to your household, wear a mask when you leave the house, go to a store, interact with colleagues, including in the break room, and masks are now required in all public indoor spaces in Ontario, including businesses, facilities, and workplaces. Avoid all non-essential travel, especially to COVID-19 hotspots, including Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, Quebec City, and the United States. Before traveling to the U.S., all travelers must plan for their mandatory 14-day quarantine period upon return. The Government of Canada representatives will conduct health screenings at the time of entry to Canada and let you know if you need to quarantine or isolate. If you don't have COVID-19 symptoms, you must quarantine for 14 days while you're still at risk of developing symptoms and infecting others. Should you develop symptoms or test positive for COVID-19 during your 14-day quarantine, you must begin isolating for an additional 14 days from the date of your positive test result or onset of symptoms. In closing, let's stay safe. Let's work together to keep Oneida Nation of the Thames COVID cases at zero. Yamako.